It's a FEATOL wrist brace. They come in different sizes as well as a right side and a left side. They come in black or gray. You have full dexterity of your finger and your thumb, and it provides good support on your wrist, and that's what it does. The Velcros are easy to put on and take off. You can do it all by yourself. Take this off right here. That's Velcro number 1. Velcro number 2 goes up and over, and a little extra Velcro right there. That's Velcro number 2. Velcro number 3, boom, take that off right there, and that's Velcro number 3. So you have the 3 Velcros right here. Once the Velcros are released, you can slide your arm out, and there we go. You have a nice stretchy material at the top, and you have microfiber material down below. To put it on, all you gotta do is slide your arm through here, and you see, watch your place for your thumb and your finger. Once it's in this position, all you gotta do is start wrapping the Velcros again. Velcro number 1 right here. Boom, Velcro number 1. Velcro number 2 goes over because it's a longer one right there. You got 1 Velcro attached right there, and it goes over one more time and attaches right there. Velcro number 3, easy. Wrap that around and you're good to go. Boom, there we go. FEATOL, FEATOL, FEATOL. Boom.